Welcome to AlphaCars Motorcycles. My name is Ian, and today I'm up front of our Boxborough location where there's a bunch of exciting things. But in this video, we're going to do a condition overview of this 2019 Zero ZF14.4, which means it's the long-range battery motorcycle. This bike is in awesome condition. It is available at the date of this video post here at AlphaCars. You can view the availability and the pricing on our website, AlphaCars.com. The link to that is at the top of the description below. You're just one click away from viewing that information, as well as other technical data about the bike. So let's get right into it. We're going to do a thorough look over of this Zero. It does have the charge tank dealer accessory installed, which is a $2,800 option. It allows you to use the level 2 charging stations and charge this thing up super fast. There's also factory Zero Soft Saddlebags that are included. You can view the pictures of those in that online listing, as well as other professional images on the bike. Those add 32 liters of storage as well. So a bunch of nice accessories with this Zero, and as we're about to take a close look, this bike is super glossy, super well taken care of. You can see the rims here. Look at the gloss in those alloys. There's actually some metallic sparkle in there too. But the brakes and tires are in good shape. You can view the remaining life of those on the online listing as well. You can see the plastics on the side of the bike, the frame, the rear shock, the drive motor back here, the big heat sink on it, belt drive. Everything is in really nice condition. Bike only has around 2,900 miles on it, and they're very well cared for miles. This plug right here is for the included charger to plug it into like your house outlet. And then of course up here, this is a part of the charge tank accessory where you can plug into a level 2 charger. The bike does have 2 keys with it as well. And we can see handlebars here, the running gear. It's all very nice. We can flick it on and you can see right here, 2,960 miles. It's around 43% charge. Of course, the bike has different riding modes. And yeah, the forks are in really nice shape. They're not wet or anything like that. And other than a little bit of road splash on it, just from the little test ride to confirm its operation, this bike is in really good shape. It's ready to go. And like I said, view the full listing at our website, alphacars.com. We do offer vehicle transportation as well. So even if you're not local, but you'd love this Zero, reach out to our team and we can give you the options there. With all that being said, this has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. Leave a like on the video if it was helpful and subscribe for more motoring content.